Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you tips to get rich fast and grow a garden too. Okay, finally guys, the Grow a Garden 2 has been released in Roblox and I'm going to show you tips that you can try to get rich faster. Okay, first guys, always play with your friends. Every friend gives you a 10% friend boost, as you can see. 10% shekel boost per invite. And you can stack it up to 70% with 7 friends. More boost mean more money whenever you sell your crops. And the second one, wait for mutations. Don't harvest crops immediately. Wait for mutations like gold, rainbow, and other mutations can massively increase the value of your fruits, making them worth much more than normal crops. And the third one, keep an eye on weather events like rain and lightning. These events increase mutation chances, and lightning can mutate multiple crops at once, perfect for huge profits. And the fourth one, paths aren't just for looks, guys. Um, the pad can help you earning shekels. Choose paths that can help you earn money more efficiently. And the next one, guys, use multiple sprinklers types together. You can buy the sprinkler from the gear shop right here. Okay. And the more types you combine, the better your results. Um, and the next one, guys, at night, thieves can steal your crops, stay inside your garden, or monitor your valuable mutated fruits to avoid losing profit. And the next one, expand your land or plot right here. Upgrade your plot. More land means more crops, which means more opportunities to make money. And then check the seed shop. Always check the shop for profitable seeds. I would like to recommend you to buy bamboos, guys. Bamboo is one of the best options right now because it's cheap, easy to grow, and generates great profits. Okay, guys, and those are the tips from me to get rich fast and grow a garden. I mean, I'm not that rich now, but I already have more than 100k shekels. So yeah, we can try to get rich together and grow a garden too. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and bye.